Unsending emails can be a practical feature to use if you accidentally send an email with a typo, forgetting to attach a document, forgetting a piece of information, sending to the wrong person, and more. In Gmail, what you want to do is head on up to the cogwheel for more options, and head on down to where it says See All Settings. And then under the General tab, what we want to do is head on down to where it says Undo Send. And to adjust this, what we want to do is go on over and choose whether we want the delay to be 5, 10, 20 or 30 seconds after we send the email. And then once you're happy with this, all you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on where it says Save Changes. Now, when you send an email, you'll have that length of time to take the email back and make changes before it sends it to that person. For example, I've got this email here, and when I send it, what I have is coming up to the bottom left is the option to undo. And if I click on that, I won't have the email sent to that person and I can make any adjustments to the email.